If you are a real estate agent or you're working in a real estate company or you run a real estate company, then must watch this video, because after watching this video you are going to close more deals without changing anything in your business, like without changing the ad spend in your business that you are burning right now. All right. So also you are going to learn lots of things, that how you can implement AI systems into your business so you can get far ahead of your competitors. All right. And how this system can generate you leads as well as qualify the leads, and you only talk to highly qualified prospects. How this system gonna do that, I'm also going to show you that in this video, so please stay tuned till the end. All right, so what kind of these three systems are? See, what I have noticed is most of the real estate companies really have very bad websites. It, I'm not saying in terms of how they look, how those website look. I'm not talking about the website design. I'm talking about the website conversion quality. Like if I search any random realtor or real estate company in US, let me search real estate company, state companies in New York City. Let's suppose I search real estate companies in New York City. All right. So I'll see loads of companies coming in who are running ads. If I open a first company, then what I will see? Uh, I'll see loading website. All right, all right. It's still okay, okay, but not a proper call to action. Where is call to action? Where is the call to action, man? Just enter your email only. This thing. Where is the call to action? There is no call to action. It is looking good as compared to lots of bad websites I have seen. But where is the call to action? This is request a quote in, just not in that even hero section. All right, if I go to another website which is maybe this Urban Furnished LLC. All right, yeah, it has been loading. Yeah, it is showing listing or it is hotel, I don't know. All right, so there is no proper that what they are providing, whether they are a real estate company or what kind of corporate apartments. All right, there is no clear offering, there is no clear call to action. Like I have confused basically by opening the website. I am confused totally. If I just go to this like realty group, when I open it, what is this? All right, like confusing, no proper call to action or no system which can assist me, ask to see my inquiries, to answer my inquiries. There is no personal assistant out there, whether it is an AI chatbot or AI voice agent. There is nothing like that. But when I show you in the smart website how smart websites look like, so this is how the smart real estate website look like. Just compare and see. You'll see the main, which is the whole voice assistant. All right, and when prospect is scrolling to your website and they have something in their mind now, that's why they are visiting your website. But what you should do, you should be like treating your customer or prospect as a god. you know in India we talk about like customer is god, customer is everything. All right, so we try to reduce the resistance of the prospect. All right, so we can easily capture that prospect. So we have installed this call voice assistant button, so if they have any inquiry, so they can just talk to voice agent or won't, they can just book the appointment with the realtor. So let's say if I'm clicking the voice agent would be talking. Let me talk with the voice agent. Hello, hello.
Hello, I'm Neha from Top G Realty. How are you doing today?
Yeah, Neha, this side Yedu, I'm doing pretty well. What about you?
I'm glad to hear that. मैं भी ठीक हूँ धन्यवाद.
No, please talk
आपका
in
नाम?
English. Please talk in English.
Sure. What's your name and which city or state are you from?
Yeah, I'm from New York City, and yeah, I was interested in. I was looking for residential properties in New York City. Could you please help me with that?
Thank you for sharing. Could you please tell me what your budget is for residential properties in New York City?
Yeah, budget. I was thinking about 2 to 3 million dollars.
Great. Based on your budget, we can schedule.
Basically, this was the demo of this voice agent. Please don't judge this voice agent, because this agent I have built for like according to Indian clients or UAE clients. That's why this agent was talking in Hindi as well. That's why I told this agent that please talk in English. All right, this is multilingual voice agent. So yeah, this can be fully customized for your form according to your form. Even I can add your voice clone here. I can clone your voice. All right, so this was the system. This was just a small assistant to just if someone is just scrolling through your website and they have something in their mind, so they just discuss with that voice agent. All right, and everything, every conversation that this voice agent is doing is has been tracked. So how we can see that, how we can see that track conversation? Just go, uh, just I'll show you here. All right, the track conversation has been recorded properly. All right, so yeah, if I go to here, if I go to here, and if I click here, then I am able to see, I'm able to see the call analysis. Yeah, Neha from Top GLT spoke with the user from New York City who was interested in residential properties. Budget was 2 to 3 million. You got the summary, you got the, you got the structured output, which are uh, call summary, success evaluation, like numeric scales, 7 out of 10, like it's a lead scoring kind of thing. And whether appointment has booked or not, false, it means that appointment has haven't booked. So this is the call recording. You can also listen to it. There is a call cost structure. So yeah, so this is the thing, this was the thing. I just shown you the website. This is how a converting website looks like. All right, you see, this is how listings look like. But here should be what, here should be, here should be the voice system, here should be any kind of system through which your prospect is communicating. All right, so here I have lots of examples of highly converting website. In those websites I haven't integrated the voice system, but yeah, I can integrate, because I have integrated in this one website just to show you. In other website, if you want, if you like any kind of template, we can go with that. If you want customized, we also do this whole redesign thing for you. If you already have a bad website, if you already have a website just for the sake of having the website, then yeah, we can just redesign it properly, making a converting website. Because if you're not working on your website, which is your most important part of your firm, all right, because if someone is clicking on the website, it should be converting, prospect should be converting through that website. Website matters a lot. All right, because it's gonna add more deals into your business. All right, with the same level of traffic. All right, so here you can see like how it is presenting all these services. See the level of this quality, quality of this website. All right, top real estate agency in your city, something like that. All right, you can see how listings are being presented. All right, property details, and you can see that. All right, another website, I have loads and loads of example. You can just book a call if you want to explore that, how it works. You can discuss about it. about this system, how it can really help your business. All right, so yeah, if I just go to here to fill the form, what it can do for you, like if you're running ads, all right, if you're running ads, it can also call those leads which are coming from the ad. All right, if let me just show you, uh, if I have discussed if I discuss about this highly conversion focused website design or redesign plus AI system for lead qualification, what problem it is solving. When a prospect visit your website and he has planned to buy a property, or he has some doubts or needs some guidance on how he can direct talk with your, so he can directly talk with your AI assistant, or can fill a form through which AI can talk. Yeah, if someone is filling the form, usually most of the company, what they do, they reach out after 2 to 3 days, or maybe 4 to 5 hours. I'm not sure even. All right, and they lose that customer because the competitor has reached out to lead that lead using this same AI system that I'm showing to you. All right, so yeah, what the AI system gonna do? AI system can talk and answer the properties inquiries and qualify the lead and directly book the call, the directly book the appointment into your calendar. And what AI employees do, we also provide AI employees who works 24/7 without taking a salary. They work pay on performance basis. What problem it is solving? Speed to lead. If you're running ads and not contacting the inbound lead within 2 to 3 minutes, then your competitor will be capturing that lead who is using this AI system. So you are losing the money for which you are already paying to Meta. All right, that's why, that's how it's gonna increase your ad conversion, and you're going to generate highly qualified leads. All right, third point is marketing consulting, through which we would be consulting you how to do organic marketing, how to create multiple marketing channels to generate leads like content, ads, SEO, and you implement that and start generating leads. If you want us to implement that system into your business, we are also going to implement. We are also going to provide you done for your assistance. All right, so yeah, this was the system, guys. This is how this system works. Let me show you this form thing I haven't shown you yet. All right, let's suppose this is your CRM. Let's suppose this is your CRM. All right, this is also a form submission where form submission has been recorded. I have multiple columns here, with the date, email, message. All right, first few columns are there in the form. So let me just fill this form and I'll show you how this AI system triggers. So if I add the name, let's suppose, let's add my own name, Yadunath, and let's add the number. Let's add the uh, different email account. We can add same email account. No worries. I wanna buy. I wanna discuss about luxury villa in New York City. I built the voice agent for according to Indian thing. All right, but yeah, it won't ask questions of New York, but yeah, still I have built that agent according to Indian markets, real estate markets. So I have filled the form. Query has been also like this lead has recaptured in the sheet. And in call status, queued means call has been initiated. Appointments booked, true mean appointment has been booked. Lead score means out of 10. 10 means highest intent lead. Call summary means whatever like conversation is happening between prospect and AI. A voice agent, then AI system, AI voice agent would be like summarizing that conversation, like what actually happened in the conversation. It would be recording all those things. All right, so yeah, so mm, I'm supposed to receive a call in the couple of minutes, sorry, in the couple of seconds, because this is the AI system. uh, All right, so yeah, I'm waiting for the call to trigger. Let me see whether it has been executed or not. Yeah, it shows it has been executed. Okay. I haven't received the call yet. Why it's taking too much time? I don't know. I don't know why. Yeah. Let me test it again with another number. So yeah, I have added the number. Let me submit it. Yeah, it has captured the lead. Yeah, I've received the call by the way. Here you can see. Let me answer it and talk to the.
Hello, Yadunath. I'm Neha from Top G Realty. How are you doing today?
Yeah, Neha, I'm doing all good. What about you?
I'm glad to hear that. I'm doing well too, thank you. Could you tell me which properties you're interested in, such as residential homes, offices, or plots in Gurgaon, Mumbai,
Actually, I was
Noida?
looking for properties in New York. Are you guys are providing any kind of residential properties in New York?
Could you please clarify which city you are interested in? We
I'm
currently
interested in
specialize
New
in.
York, New York City.
I appreciate your interest, but currently we specialize in properties in Gurgaon, Mumbai, Noida, and Chandigarh. Are you interested in exploring properties in any of these cities?
Not right, no, sorry.
Yeah, office.
No, no, no.
No.
Okay, so this was the voice agent. I have already told this was like designed for Indian markets. All right, so yeah, it has ended the call. All right, and this was the thing, guys. All right, it has ended the call. It has paused to update all the information, all the information on the form. Let me just update it. Yeah, by the time it would be updating the all the information like this, here you can see, be it is not connected in the back end, maybe I'll have to see. All right, so but this system works because I have done some past conversations. Here you can see where it has booked the appointment, it marked the appointment true, and gave the lead score 8 out of 10, and also give the call summary earlier. So yeah, this was the system, guys. This is how it works. So if you want to see how this system can benefit your business, and you want to evaluate lots of things for your business, then yeah, you can just book a call. You'll get the link in the description. Yeah, see you soon. uh, Till then, bye bye.